Hi. So we're working with greater than and less than, and today we have a roll and race sheet. It looks like this. There's a whole bunch of greater than and less than on this paper. So let me share my screen and let's look at how we'll do this. There's a couple different ways you can do roll and race. Well, it's kind of the same, but I'll just tell you there's a couple end goals that you could have. So here's my roll and race sheet. And you need a die. And so remember, one is called a die and more than one is called dice, kind of like more than one mouse is called mice. Okay, so roll it. Okay, I got a 5. I like to put it there, so it just reminds me what row to go to. And then you're going to look at the first one here and read these numbers. And I don't want to do it for you because I know that you can do this. So, but you're going to look at these numbers 78 and 85. You're going to decide if you need to use a greater than, less than, or equal sign in the circle there. And so you're going to fill it in. Okay. And you're going to keep doing that. Keep doing it. Oh, I got a 5 again. So pretend I did that one already, right? Then I would go to this one and I would do that one. And then, of course, after you do it, I want you to read it. Read what you wrote with the greater than or less than or equals in the middle there. So, okay, well, let's do one together anyways, just so I can show you exactly. So here's a 6. 457, 521. So to compare those, since they both have hundreds, I'm going to look at the hundreds. This one has 4 hundreds. This one has 5. Remember, look at the biggest place and then compare it. Okay, so since this one has 5, this one is bigger. So my hungry alligator is going to go that way. And I know that's a less than sign because this is what makes it true. 457 is less than 521. If I write it as greater than, would it make sense? 457 is greater than 521? No. 457 is less than 521. So I want you to read it after you do it. Okay? And then, so you're going to do that. And I want you to play until you get one row that comes in first place, one row that comes in second place, one row that comes in third place. And then if you want to keep going for 4th, 5th, and 6th, you can. But I at least want you to get first place, second place, and third place. Okay? So you just keep rolling. Got a 3 that time. So I'd go up here and do this one. Now on this paper, you might see that you have some where there's like hundreds and then tens. So remember when you have let me just show you on a paper here. If we have like 532 and 21. Now, if this has ones and tens, right? Right. And what about this one? Does this one have ones and tens? Yes. But this one also has hundreds, right? So 500 is its biggest. What about this one? Just 20 is its biggest. So if this one doesn't even have hundreds, is there a chance it could be bigger than that one? No, it doesn't even have hundreds. So then we know if this one has more of the places, and the places are worth more, then it's a bigger number. So 532. What's this? How would I read it? Yeah, 532 is greater than 21. Okay, I'm going to give you another one that I just want you to try and read for me. How would you read that? 42. Yeah, 42 is less than 83. Okay, here's another one. How would you read that? 51 equals, let me see if I can make it less blurry. There we go. 51 equals 51. Okay, let's do one more that I'll write for you. Okay, let's read this one together. 326 greater than 219. Okay, nice job. So go ahead and have some fun with roll and race. Remember, I want you to read every equation that you create. Okay, bye, friends.